In haram, follow keep fast on the 2 pre-days them and 3 days after Donkin pre-day. Brothers and sisters, this in the 5 days inside Islam, where haram follow person keep fast on them. First month pre-day, Donkin pre-day, and 3 days after Donkin pre-day. It means if a person keep fast, any type of fast on them 5 days them, na sin it get, not a blessing it get out of that fast at all, brothers and sisters. Please, let all join hands together. Let clear this misconception to the people them. People then they think and then they share the message them for say, or for keep fast on Donkin pre-day, say we come on a pre-fill. Then they tell their wife, then they picking, then they eat sokoli, then they even pray nafila for them. Then they put on their mind for say, now fast then they keep. Then they come on a pre-fill, then cut the fast, say Almighty Allah go give them the blessing of the whole day. This is a big misconception because inside Islam, it haram for a person keep fast on the pre-day. Either the fast na short fast or na complete fast. In fact, inside Islam, we not get short fast. Any fast we they need done from the beginning till Sunday for don't even tell. We not call that the fast. So not to fast we they keep. And also we need follow understand this message and share also follow clear this misconception to the people there. We say people that don't understand that in the Prophet Muhammad in Sunnah of eating on the pre-day, then to pre-days them. Prophet Muhammad in eminent Sahaba when Anas bin Malik narrate inside Sahih Bukhari and Sahih Muslim say, Prophet bin they always pull koge before ever it come on first month pre-day monitor for gonna pre-fill. Where they come on, it make sure say he eat some tamar then before ever it come on. What he make it do that day for let people they understand for saying. Time don't for keep fast when a first month. And let them understand for say also, it haram strongly for a person keep fast on them, predates them. Sahaba also, when a Buraida, Dane back narrate inside Sunan Tirmizi, for say Prophet no bin the common pre-day monitor when a first month pre-day passing eat something. And no bin they eat something, na don't kill pre-day also. Pass way don't come on a pre-fill, don't kill in laya, it eats from in laya. So if you understand this particular area, the misconception is clear to everybody. Prophets been the delay koge, not to fast been the keep. It been the delay koge breakfast na donkin pre-day. For he eat the first thing where they eat late than they be in laya, particularly na liver it been they eat. It cut small pan the liver, the raw one. Where they don't butcher them, it cut small pan the raw liver, it eats than they. It mean for in laya. Beef be the first thing where they enter inside in Bel on the Donkin pre-day. So not the fast it be the keep. Because we know they call Dande fast, we call Dande for delay the breakfast. Now 2 things we need for understand now. First thing, Prophet na breakfast it be the delay, not to fast it be the keep. Number 1. And also it been the delay the breakfast because ingel liar for eat. For ingel liar for kill, it may eat the first thing where they eat later than they be in liar. So you where they kill liar. If you do liar, if you do say you liar, it mean they get access for it from a liar. Now for delay the koge, then you come on a pre-fill, then you eat from a liar after we will not do butcher. You will get liar. You will not get liar. You free. Where they don't clean for make you eat before ever they gonna pre-fill. No ever put in their mind for say they keep fast on the pre-day. If you put that in their mind, then in a sin it they get from that because you know they keep fast on the pre-day. For delayed breakfast and for the one they know more way than they kill the liar. The one the way they need to kill liar, then you know the inside. Just like how Imam Ibn Qudama talk than they inside this big book what they call Mughni. May God give you understanding. So this particular side don't clear for everybody for say we know they keep fast on the 2 pre-days day and 3 days after don't keep pre-day. So then 3 days then after don't keep pre-day and the pre-day, if you don't meet up the person, you don't ought to Allah say they keep fast on then this then. The day go meet up then this day, you need to keep fast. Even if you meet up Monday, Thursday fast, you need to keep fast on then this day at all. Even if you meet up the 13, because the then 3 days after Donkin pre-day, it start the 11, it done the 13. 13, 14, 15, the people that wait and they keep down. Even if you meet up down that 13, they need to keep down. Now 14, 15, 16, now it keep, or any other 3 days. You don't understand? So any fast way that they meet up inside then 3 days them, you need to keep her at all. May God give you understanding. Now only one type of people then allow inside Islam for let them keep fast inside then 3 days, then 3 days after they keep praying. Not to, then the 2 days they constant. It haram for a person keep fast inside praying. But the 3 days after they keep praying, now the people the way they go to Hajj. Now 3 type of Hajj we get. 2 type of Hajj day. If you do that day, it get penalty for keep 10 days. If you be to say no to Makkah, it day. You understand? Qiran for join the Hajj and the Umrah together, or tamattu for separate between the Hajj and the Umrah inside the month of Hajj. If you do that, no, they get penalty. If you know to Makkah a day, you know to citizen in Makkah, they get penalty for like keep 10 days. 3 days na Makkah, the way they can do the Hajj. That 3 days na in the go meet up. These 3 days after the King pray day, now they call Ayyamut Tashriq. They keep that 3 days. When you return to a country also, they keep the balance 7 days. May God give you understanding. Now then people they no more allow for let them keep fast inside these 3 days. The balance people then any sign at the wall, allow for let person keep fast inside these 3 days. Absolutely. So now make this particular case clear and now share this message also. Somebody want ask, okay, if a person keep fast inside these days, what thing for happen? If you hear somebody tell you say, we know they keep fast inside this, or you hear this message, for say we know they keep fast, it haram for they keep fast inside then this them, if you cut the fast. Cut the fast, because if you don't have sin, it they get. Somebody go ask, what about would they hear it from knowledge man? They say, person need to keep fast on Friday. Yes, person need to keep fast on Friday. Pass it to say, you don't keep Thursday, or you plan for keep Saturday with time. But for keep Friday no more, then they fine. But you not for say haram. If you do, I not to sin, it they get. But you know for dua. Now they call makruh. But if you do, I not to sin, it they get. But not to sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now Friday young case. But these 5 days is strongly haram for the person keep fast on them. So please share this message. Say, don't keep pray day. We know they keep fast. The one the way they get liar. Now they delay the breakfast. No more. First thing where they eat later than they be then liar in liver. Somebody want to know why the liver and why Prophet Muhammad been eat liver, particularly the raw liver. Knowledge man they answer that question. Say now wish Prophet Muhammad been the wish. Say all metal get for feed the people the next word day with one big fish in liver inside the Arjana. First thing where Arjana people they get for eat. So if back the wish, if they make that wish they for go they eat that liver they from in liar. Maybe all metal go give and the luck for make you get the. For make you able to eat that particular fish in liver. Nine are the reason. Some of the reason. So knowledge man and they talk other reasons there also. Now Allah na know the best. But there for the one the way then they kill the liar and not to fast with the keep also. Share this message. Take that number and join we WhatsApp group them. Don't forget for subscribe on YouTube channel when Nagashi Islamic videos on YouTube and Sabilul Huda. May God give you understanding. Assalamu alaikum.